Good morning, I'm Daniel Van Gundy, Safety Manager for Loven Contracting. Today we're going to talk about the different stages of cold weather-induced illnesses, how to recognize them, and what emergency first aid steps we can take. It's no joke out there. Cold weather affects our bodies significantly, and without the right precautions or treatment, working in the cold can lead to severe health risks like hypothermia and frostbite. Let's start with hypothermia. This is when your body loses heat faster than it can produce it. Hypothermia progresses in three main stages, each with increasing severity. In the mild stage, the body temperature drops just below normal from your body base temperature of 98.6 degrees to between 95 and 90 degrees. In this stage, people may experience shivering, dizziness, confusion, and numbness in their extremities. At this stage, the symptoms are serious but manageable with immediate action. If the body temperature continues to drop to between 89 and 82 degrees, we reach the moderate stage of hypothermia. This stage is much more critical. At this point, shivering becomes more intense and people may lose coordination, slur their speech, and experience more severe confusion. It's essential to intervene at this point with emergency care. When the body temperature falls below 82 degrees, the severe stage of hypothermia sets in. This is a life-threatening condition. People in this stage may stop shivering, their breathing becomes shallow, they might lose consciousness, and without immediate help, they risk entering a coma or even death. For hypothermia, the first step is to move the person into a warmer environment away from the wind and the cold. Remove any wet clothing and replace it with dry, warm clothes or blankets. If the person is conscious, provide warm but not hot drinks to increase internal body temperature. Avoid using direct heat sources such as hot water or heating pads, as these can damage the skin. Mylar emergency blankets will help radiate heat back into the person's body. If hypothermia is suspected, call emergency medical services immediately. Now we're going to move on to frostbite, another common cold-related illness. Frostbite can evolve from mild to advanced quickly, affecting body parts exposed to the cold. Usually the fingers, toes, ears, and the nose are the first affected. During the earliest phase, which is called frost nip, skin may appear red or pale and the affected area might feel tingling and numbness. This is a warning sign. Without warming, frostbite can rapidly move to the intermediate stage, where skin becomes waxy, hard, and may change color to blue or gray. At this stage, skin tissue is beginning to freeze. When advanced frostbite occurs, the skin turns black and dies, which is extremely serious and requires emergency medical care. When it comes to frostbite, it's crucial to act quickly. Similar to hypothermia, avoid rubbing or applying direct heat to the frostbitten areas. This can cause further damage to the tissue. Warm the area gradually, like placing frostbitten fingers under the armpits. Use running, cool water to warm frostbitten areas. If the color of the skin doesn't improve or the symptoms are more severe, seek emergency medical attention right away. Prevention is key to staying warm during the winter months. Dress in layers. Cover your head, hands, feet, and face to prevent heat loss. Stay dry. Moisture speeds up heat loss. Immediately change out of any wet clothing. Use hand and foot warmers. Wear insulating and weatherproof clothing. Take regular breaks in warm areas whenever possible and be vigilant for early signs of these cold-related symptoms, both in yourself and your coworkers. Remember, early recognition and immediate action can prevent these illnesses from becoming life-threatening. Look out for each other this winter season. Please like, comment, and subscribe. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to Loven Contracting. Have a great day and stay frosty. No, actually, stay warm.